LELB Society, celebrating 9 years of academic excellence. Published on July 5th. 9 years ago, LELB Society embarked on a journey to foster a vibrant online community. Today, we stand proud as we celebrate this momentous occasion, reflecting on the incredible growth and achievements we've shared along the way. Video of LELB Society, celebrating 9 years of academic excellence. Our commitment to academic excellence. From the very beginning, LELB Society has placed a strong emphasis on academic pursuits. Our platform has served as a launchpad for countless individuals seeking to learn, share, and excel in their chosen fields. It's interesting to note that 6th of July is actually the birthday of both LELB Society and its founder and administrator, Dr. Mohammad Hossein Hariri Asl. Here are some of the key milestones that solidify LELB Society's commitment to academic excellence. A hub for knowledge sharing, LELB Society has fostered a culture of knowledge exchange. Our forums, discussion boards, and other interactive features have provided a platform for members to engage in stimulating discussions, share valuable resources, and learn from each other's expertise. Collaboration and innovation. LELB Society has nurtured a collaborative environment where members can work together on projects, share research findings, and develop innovative ideas. This collaborative spirit has undoubtedly contributed to the academic achievements of our members. Empowering individual growth. LELB Society has empowered individual growth by providing access to a network of mentors, advisors, and peers. This supportive network has been instrumental in guiding members towards academic success. Celebrating achievements. LELB Society has consistently recognized and celebrated the academic achievements of its members. This recognition has served as a great motivator, inspiring members to strive for excellence. LELB Society's academic achievements. LELB Society's academic excellence and achievements over the last 9 years. The following list highlights LELB Society's academic achievements from July 6, 2015 to July 6, 2024, when our online community turned 9 years old. 4,385 premium lessons with videos. 7,267 comments and 125 academic pages and 879 comments and 209 created topics in forums. 237 topic tags in forums. 2,141 tags in lessons and 200 plus Happy Persian and 3,882 YouTube subscribers with 100 plus videos. Utilizing technology in education. Using technology and artificial intelligence for educational purposes at LELB Society. LELB Society isn't just about traditional language learning methods. We're at the forefront of educational technology, utilizing artificial intelligence, AI, to create a personalized and engaging learning experience. Imagine an AI tutor that tailors lessons to your strengths and weaknesses, offering targeted feedback and practice opportunities. LELB Society is developing these very tools, leveraging AI to analyze student progress and suggest personalized learning pathways, thanks to the employment of portfolio assessment and gamification in education. This innovative approach not only caters to individual learning styles, but also makes language acquisition more efficient and effective. The following are some of the most important aspects of our methodology and curriculum. Untethered hybrid learning, online classes plus asynchronous learning. Constructivism in education. Collaborative learning and peer assessment. Portfolio assessment and gamification. Flipped learning with video-based lessons and lectures. Social presence and interactivity. Adding German language learning department. Our students can now learn German as well in our online community. In the past year, LELB Society took a big step forward by expanding its language offerings to include German. This edition caters to a growing interest in learning German, opening up new educational and professional opportunities for its students. With the implementation of this new department, LELB Society is solidifying its position as a comprehensive language learning institution. Our professional team is growing. LELB Society's team of authors, teachers, and content developers. LELB Society boasts a dynamic team of 24 individuals, each bringing their expertise and passion for language learning. So far, English, Persian, German, and beyond second language learning. Experience untethered hybrid learning, online classes plus asynchronous learning at LELB Society. LELB Society is breaking out of the language learning mold. While our core strength as a bilingual academy still remains fostering fluency in English and Persian, we've expanded our horizons to encompass a wider range of educational needs. Our website now boasts exclusive categories dedicated to website management, digital marketing, and even education for children and young learners. This shift caters to a growing demand for self-improvement and skill development across various aspects of life. Whether you're aspiring to become a web whiz, a marketing maven, or simply seeking to equip your young ones with valuable knowledge, LELB Society provides a platform to explore these diverse areas. So, if you're looking to expand your knowledge base beyond languages, LELB Society is a one-stop shop for igniting your learning journey. Join our growing team. Do you have a passion for language learning and a wealth of knowledge to share? LELB Society is expanding its horizons and inviting enthusiastic educators and content developers to join our vibrant team. We offer a unique platform for you to showcase your expertise and publish your original language learning materials under your own name. Whether you're a seasoned teacher or a rising star, we welcome your contributions to our ever-growing educational resources. Help us empower students worldwide. Contact us and apply today. Challenges have made us stronger. However, our journey hasn't been without its challenges. As an online community, we've had to navigate issues like ensuring the quality of information shared, fostering respectful discourse, and keeping our members engaged. Through it all, LELB Society has emerged stronger, constantly evolving to meet the needs of our members and students. As we look towards the future, we remain committed to providing a platform that fosters academic excellence and empowers individuals to achieve their full potential. Let's celebrate this special occasion together. Share your experiences and thoughts about LELB Society's impact on your academic journey in our feedback box forum or in the comment form below. We look forward to continuing to serve our community for many years to come. Share this follow Academic Achievement, Artificial Intelligence Celebration, Community Expertise, Language Success, Untethered Learning. Related lessons and posts. IELTS Essay on Artificial Intelligence and Jobs. Jul 2, 2024. I, Robot, 2004, Movie Analysis and Juni 15, 2024. Master Farsi with engaging video lessons and June 11.